When I say Easter, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? The Easter Bunny? The birth of new life? Or Easter eggs? Originally, eating eggs was disallowed by the church in the weeks leading up to Easter. Any eggs laid that week were saved and decorated to make them Easter eggs that were then given to children as gifts. And that's how eggs became such an important part of the Easter tradition. There are lots of ideas of how to use eggs during these festivities. Here are some. Egg rolling. Hard boil your egg. Decorate it as you like. Roll it down a hill with your friends. Whoever egg rolls the furthest without breaking wins. Egg hunt. Hard boil your eggs, or use chocolate eggs if you prefer. Hide them and let the hunting begin. Whoever returns with the most eggs is the winner and can claim a chocolate prize. Egg knocking. If you still have some hard-boiled eggs left over, choose the strongest one. Pick one of your friends. Knock your egg against your friend's egg and see which one breaks first. The owner of the least damaged egg is the winner. Egg dance. Lay the eggs on the ground. Blindfold yourself. Try to dance among them without breaking any eggs. So which egg challenge are you going to try this Easter? Let us know.